sure it's on. Yeah, you're good. It's the top button.
Oh, it is
it's already
recording.
recording now. Yeah, we're just.
Chris has found.
This is for your car, not mine.
That's what we need.
We need parts. I like how this is like
car
totally
has
cut
had
out.
some stuff taken. What'd you say?
I like how this is like totally cut out, like the entire side of the car.
Well, it's obviously just to make it easier for you, so you have your nice little tool bench there.
I got a little tool bench.
Smile for the camera, Chris.
Hmm?
Said smile for the camera.
That's great.
Nice little fun song.
Help with this axle. Wow, this has been here for a while. I don't know if we're getting this off. Okay, what's up guys? Here in the garage, working on the Sentra. I hate this car. This car is so fucking rusty. It is ridiculous. The reason why we were at the pick and pull was because you can see here, look at that. That's nice and seized like a rock. Not moving at all. This one moves a little bit. I mean, at least it comes out. This one, super seized. I mean, crazy seized. The other one is laying around. It's over there. I'm not even going to show it to you. Completely seized. I mean, it's so much rust. Completely seized. Everything is fucked with this car. And I did the fronts. I got the fronts done because we could only get the front bracket mounting bolts off of the car that was there because it had drum brakes for the rear on that version. It's like the lower version than this. This one has disc brakes in the rear. So I got in here to the rear, and I'll show you it. Completely seized. Everything is seized in here. Everything. I mean, this car is like just fucked in terms of rust. This rotor is a year old, and it's completely fucked. Right here, this bolt, completely fucked. I can't get it out. I'm gonna have to cut it or something. This one came out, and the other two in the back did actually come out, but it's not sliding at all. Like the caliper is just, it's hard as a rock stuck on here. It's not moving at all. So I'm gonna be putting it back together, ordering 2 more brackets, and you can at least get these online from like Napa and whatnot. The 2 that I had to get for the front, you can't buy the bracket separately. As dumb as that fucking sounds, you can't buy this bracket separately at all. You have to buy the whole caliper kit, which is $600 because Nissan. Great. But yeah, this one, see, that one moves a little bit. This one doesn't move. Completely seized. Moves. Nothing. Won't move at all. I mean, it's hard as a rock. So I absolutely hate this car. Everything about this car has been a pain in the ass. Even changing the spark plugs yesterday. Oh, you have to get a different, smaller spark plug socket to even fit in there. So I had to order that special order to get that. Pain in the butt. The whole thing is pain in the butt. But everything is just seized. Like just the amount of rust on here, completely seized. The car is a 2015. Everything is completely seized. Did I mention everything is completely seized? So yes, won't be going back to the pick and pull because they don't have any, but I'm gonna have to order these, put the car back together again. This is day 3 of trying to change the brakes on this damn car, because you just get into it and you're like, oh, that's seized, that's broken, that bolt doesn't work. I gotta order this. It's every time you do a brake job on this car, you need to order all of the brackets. Just order them ahead of time because you're probably gonna need them. Last time I tried putting different boots on here, didn't work, still seized up. It's just the amount of salt that this car sees is just incredible. What's actually crazy is you can actually look at this. I'm going to give you like an up close view. Look at that. Look at this. This is hard as a rock. Like this is still rubbery. This is hard as a rock right here. Look at that. That's crazy. I don't know how that happens. Like, I've done brakes numerous times on cars. My WX I do the brakes on all the time has the same sliding calipers. Never had a problem. I've done those 5 times probably. Other cars, no problem. This car, fucked every single time. Thanks, Nissan. Always appreciate it.